For centuries, mankind has sought to correct vision and improve clarity. From the rudimentary glasses of the 13th century to today's soft, contactless lenses, the evolution of vision correction has been remarkable. But how did we get here? Join us as we explore the fascinating history behind the invention of soft contact lenses. The first recorded concept of contact lenses can be traced back to Leonardo da Vinci in 1508. He theorized that altering the curvature of the cornea could correct vision, though his idea involved submerging the eye in water. René Descartes later expanded on this idea in 1636, proposing a glass tube filled with liquid placed directly on the eye, though this was impractical. It wasn't until the late 1800s that the first wearable contact lenses were created. In 1887, German glassblower F.A. Müller developed the first glass contact lens. Though revolutionary, these early lenses were uncomfortable and could only be worn for short periods of time. In the 1930s, hard plastic lenses made of PMMA were introduced, offering more durability and a lighter alternative to glass. However, these lenses still covered the entire cornea and were uncomfortable. They paved the way for the next major breakthrough: soft lenses. The real revolution in contact lenses came in the 1960s with Czech chemist Otto Wichterle. He was determined to create a more comfortable lens, leading him to experiment with hydrogels. In 1961, Wichterle invented the first soft, flexible contact lens using a material called hydroxyethyl methacrylate, which could hold water and remain pliable. Despite his success, Wichterle faced numerous challenges in bringing his invention to the masses. Political turmoil in Czechoslovakia and limited funding hindered early efforts. However, in 1965, his patents were sold to Bausch & Lomb, an American company that would commercialize soft contact lenses. Soft contact lenses transformed the way people corrected their vision. By the late 1970s, they had become widely available and affordable, providing an alternative to glasses and hard lenses. The lens's soft, pliable nature made them comfortable for daily wear, sparking a global shift in vision correction. Today, contact lenses have evolved even further. We now have extended wear lenses, lenses designed for astigmatism, and even smart lenses that can monitor health conditions. The future holds even more possibilities, from drug-delivering lenses to augmented reality integration. From Da Vinci's early ideas to the modern soft lens, the journey of contact lenses is a testament to human innovation and the drive to enhance the quality of life. As science continues to push the boundaries, one can only imagine what the future holds for this remarkable invention. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the history of soft contact lenses, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more content on the greatest inventions that changed our world.